Hi, I'm Deborah, and I'm the owner and creative designer of Nefarian Party. I create decorations for baby showers, graduations, birthday parties, and some wedding decorations. I'm getting into weddings slowly but surely. On this channel, I pretty much do tutorials for diaper cakes and some baby shower decorations, but eventually I will branch out to do something else. Sorry, I haven't posted a video in some time. This is my busy season, and I've been having a lot of orders, not to mention I also work a full-time job. So I'm running a full-time business, I'm also working a full-time job, and I'm a full-time mom. But I have some time today. Today I will be making a Ladybug diaper cake. I got a request from someone a while ago, and I'm finally able to do it. First I need to cut out the Ladybug cutouts, and I will be using my silhouette for that, and I'll show you how I do that. Then I'll come back over here and we can put the diaper cake together. Let's get started.
So the first thing I need to do is cut out my Ladybug pieces. Here is a diaper cake template that I use sometimes to decorate, get a design in my head instead of wasting the ribbon. Sometimes I like to try with ribbon. Most times I try with ribbon, but sometimes I like to see it on screen. So that's what I'm going to do here. I have some Ladybug cutouts that I use for my other diaper cakes or centerpiece sticks. I'm just going to use the same pieces for here. Oops. It's annoying. Here we go. So I'm going to color these and make it similar to what it's going to look like when it's realized. I like it. What do you think? Looks good to me. Time to make it real. So now I'm going to cut out all of the red pieces together and then all of the black pieces and the white pieces. As you can see, I'm putting my pieces really close to each other so I can use all this space for another project. I'm setting my force to 23, speed to 8, and 2 passes. And I'm just using regular 65-pound cardstock. Oh, and my blade depth is at 3.
So now I have to make my diaper tiers, 30 diapers for the bottom tier, 18 for the middle, and 7 for the top. So I put 30 in a 12-inch pan like this. I grab a handful and just spread it around. Alright, so now I have my cutouts here that I'm going to glue together with tacky glue. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun to glue the topper to the stick. So the tacky glue is pretty strong. You don't need a whole lot for each piece. So I received a suggestion to use a pool noodle for the center of the diaper cake, but I have yet to pick one up. So right now I'm just going to be using an empty paper towel roll that I wrap with white paper. This goes on the inside of the diaper cake. So for the ribbon, I have 3 ribbons here. One is zigzag, one is red and black polka dots, and the other are ladybugs. How I put on my ribbon? First, I measure around each tier and cut where I need it to be. And I want the ribbon to be snug so it looks nicer. And for the red ribbon, since I already have this ribbon cut out, I just measure the ribbon that I already cut. I'm not going to cut out my ladybug ribbon like that. I'm going to put this on last. I already measured it. I know how much it's going to be. So I'm just going to glue over the lap a little bit. And I'm going to, for each of the same size ribbon, I want to make sure I glue the exact same amount. So one ribbon isn't wider than the other. Okay, so for the ladybug ribbon, what I'm going to do is put some glue on the ends, place it in the center, and go around. Put some glue on here, and then glue it together. Okay, so now to finish this off, I have some white paper shred, crinkle paper, whatever you want to call it, that I'm going to place around the top of the tiers, and then I'm going to glue my cutouts onto the diaper cake. Thanks for watching my video on how to make a ladybug diaper cake. I hope you like it. If you like what you see, you can check out my channel for other video tutorials on some of my other diaper cakes. Thanks for watching.